Nan, babo, kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? Ako Iluwi Season.
Marco Nananing, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon pong bengi ngayon ni is a special night or even including until tomorrow kasi mag-check-in kami po ngayon kay bayong hotel kening Angeles City. Laguna po is Hotel Snow.
Nice!
So mag-umpisa kami po yung vlog kening Dinner Me. Muna pakit may pamo po yung pamangan kaya kayo. And tomorrow, abayan nyo kami kasi lumibo tayo naman. Baka abalo tayo ng detang amenities da.
Tara! Let's go!
O ito, so mag-start happening vlog me king dinner. So kin table mi na ating chop suey, ating spicy busit, ating balamong Korean omelette kini, ating pork steak, ating yakisoba, Japanese yakisoba, ating spicy pork na, ampong barbecue sticks. Kaya ba't ang last keta is sweet and spicy chicken. So kasantingan pala Kenny, hanggang ali ka maka-check-in, bala mo walk-in, malyari ka mag-dine-in Kenny. Kaya ba't atin lang kasing swimming pool kaya ang gulot no ita ikakatche. Bala mo convertible into food for 300 pesos. Mangan ka mo 300 pesos Kenny. Each person, pwede mo rin gamitan nitang pool. Kabalen, sobrang kabsimi. May bugna kaya binemitik do kaya niya. So saktong-sakto, ayan, mag-chill na kami mo ating banda kayong gulot. Kaya rin na nini, matutod na uling mag-overnight kami kaya ni. So, stop me na pa yung vlog kaya ni. See you tomorrow. Night. So, apin ini Angara lang bar. I was like any Hotel Snow bar, as simple as that. During the night, you can enjoy kay Kenny wine. Yung ambience Kenny is more of itang jazz. Ambience mo yan eh, balang bing iting patugtog na Kenny. But during the morning, Kenny laretang kay breakfast naman. So, you can actually have your breakfast here or ketang pool. But, kaya kami ini pinili mi. So, we're gonna have our breakfast here.
Maki ni. Ay, wow. Maki lang po? Opo. Maki tuna and beef bulgogi.
So, the breakfast is served and it's ready. So ito, so in-introduce din kaya kami ining triangle maki. Sabi da kaya kami kayong orientation me most of the time. Akit mula rin ni kayong Japan, kayong Korea, Taiwan or China. And the way you eat it is you pull this plastic right here. Ayan o. Until there you go. So right after may unrapia, basically what's inside is rice. Think of na ning rice is atin niya mo naman palaman. So like for this one, it's tuna. That's right. So this one's perfect for Philippine breakfast, merienda, lunch, dinner. It's like food on the go. And available lang mo rin ni Keng Hotel Snow. So in order me guys, for the breakfast is American breakfast. So duala ring American breakfast, the A and B. There you go. And then metong pang in order me Kenny guys, is yung kanang ramen with rice, which is yung kakananan dyan. Available mo naman Kenny guys, ining karelang tocino. Of course, Kapampangan special, di ba? Mantana. What are you eating, baby?
Hot dog.
That's a huge hot dog.
Nagbablog siya.
Nagbablog.
yan. Tapos kainin mo.
Ano lahat ginagawa?
So just a trivia king hotel Aine. They have been awarded for several citations pinne for being eco-friendly, diba? How cool is that? So isa sa mga features ng hotel na to na sana ma-adapt na ng mga ibang hotels and accommodation establishments nga is yung automated light sensors nila. So as soon as you enter, dun palang mag-on yung ilaw. So it saves energy, it saves Mother Earth, our future.
Welcome, sir!
Ito kabalan apin iniingkare lang penthouse. So, atin lang adwang penthouse rooms. Okay, but kayong kilub na ning penthouse, ating apat na separated rooms. So, lawin tayong metong Kenny. Like for this one, atin yung wala mong king size bed. Okay, but atin mo naman sariling bathroom or CR. So, each room kayong penthouse, makanyan lang mo naman. Okay, but in the middle, so apin ni bala mong living area. Ating sofa, ating place for the TV, ating kitchen bar. Ba talagang bala mo kaya ni full amenity. Okay, but ketang kay ating niya mo ng balcony which is great for, you know, some gipsal or probably chilling, kwentuhan mga niyan, and then overviewing yung Angeles. Kaning third floor atin lang massage area. So this is open from 1 p.m. up until 10 p.m. So nabisang mag-relax na habang maka-check-in ka kay ni malaria kay.